Having leadership like Jay Hodge and giving me the role of being able to kind of see the need for something and bring it to the table, he always supports those types of things. I saw a little bit of a gap there that we needed to be more knowledgeable about the DMS. As you can imagine, with a store opening in mid-2017, and you have a change of hands along the way, then you kind of get a little bit of a watered down version of how to utilize the DMS, and maybe we're just kind of doing bare bones functionality. So I got to talk to Jay about that and said, I really feel like there's a need to take a deeper dive to help everybody involved, including the customers. By having Jay support that, I was able to make that decision and get the team involved with Autosoft and have some on-site training. Just like I imagined, and immediately day one, there was a lot of light bulbs going off going, I didn't know I could do that. And it's really fun to see. Examples of just having on-site training and how it's just in a short time made big improvements is in the parts side, is understanding how we can bulk order all of our parts right before our cutoff time every day by making our parts list and that going straight into our Stellantis Chrysler platform to order those parts. The motive is always to help the customer, and if I can be more efficient because I'm trained up now to do that with parts, then I'm very likely to get my parts on time, and I'm very likely going to be able to protect somebody's investment. My advice I would give to maybe other dealerships that have been on the platform, maybe there's been some change in hands over the years, and we're kind of getting a little less information as we get going. I would really just advise to invest into the department and let these professionals come in. It is a great opportunity so they can get in and feel comfortable, feel confident, and on the manager side or director side, the reports that I didn't know I can do and the information I didn't realize I could see is priceless.